So 1 minute, children. Okay, are you able to see the board? Yesterday's homework problem.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who has done? Show me once. 1 minute. Are you showing me? I'm unable to see your videos. Please show.
1 minute, ma'am.
Open your videos and then show. Yesterday I have given one sum as a homework. Those who have completed, please show me. Yes, Aminya, a little bit closer. Okay. Move down, move up. Move up. Okay, turn page. So what is the answer you received? 6 meters per second. Okay. 5 by 8 plus 5 by 24 you wrote. After that, can you read what it is? I could not able to see. Abhinaya, unmute yourself and read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, M is equals to 5 by 8 plus 5 by 24 kg is equals to 5 by 6 kg, ma'am.
Okay.
And next, now they set to find acceleration. So acceleration is equals to force by mass, ma'am. So here we got mass 5 by 6, ma'am, and force is 5 newtons. So 5 by 6, ma'am. So 6 meter per second.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Others have done it. Others who have done, please show. If other children have done the homework, please show. Hiranya, done? Okay.
Ma'am, I was not there yesterday because we had a festival, puja in our village.
Okay, right. So move up, Hiranya. Move up. Yeah, little bit more. Stop here. 5 by 8. Yes, that side. 5 by 8. No, still I cannot see properly. 5 by 8 plus 5 by 24 you wrote. Okay. Okay. And what is the final answer you got? 6. Right.
6 meter per second, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Anybody else who have done the homework? Okay, you have to do this homework, right? It is very easy sum. You can do it by your own, right? So next we'll start up with the class. Please note down the question and then we'll discuss the answer. In your physics CW, this question is repeated in CBSE 2010 year. In the 2010 year final board exam, this question has come, and this question has come for 2012 also, and this question has come for 2015 also. Mean 3 years continuously in CBSE exams, this question was repeated. So please note down the question. Name the physical quantity. Name the physical quantity that measures. Name the physical quantity that measures inertia. Name the physical quantity that measures inertia. Repeated in CBSE 2010, 2012, 2015. Note down there. So now, what is the answer, children?
Ma'am, can I?
Abhinaya.
Ma'am, mass.
Very good. Answer is mass. Mass is the physical quantity that measures inertia. So you can write the answer. Mass of the body measures its inertia. Mass of the body measures its inertia. Mass of the body measures its inertia. This question can be asked in another form. In the year 2013, the same question was asked in another form. Okay, the other form of the same question is, on which factor does inertia depend? In 2013, the same question was asked in another form. The question is, on which factor does inertia depend? What is the answer?
Mass, ma'am.
Yeah, answer is it depends on the mass of the object. It depends on the mass of the object. And one more question in the year of 2012, 2013 and 14. One question CBSE has given. Okay. Note down the question. Name the property. Name the property of bodies. Name the property of bodies to resist a change in their velocity. Name the property of bodies to resist a change in their velocity. Name the property of bodies to resist a change in their velocity. To resist a change in their velocity. In bracket CBSE 2012, 2013, 2014. What is the answer, children?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Name the property. Name the property of bodies to resist a change in their velocity.
Ma'am, inertia.
Inertia, ma'am.
Very good. Inertia. To resist a change in their velocity. It is inertia.
Ma'am, can you repeat years?
CBSE 2012, 2013, 2014. 3 years he has given. Next. A ball is, next question, note down. A ball is moving over a horizontal. A ball is moving over a horizontal smooth surface with a constant velocity. A ball is moving over a horizontal smooth surface with a constant velocity. With a constant velocity. What type of force are acting on the ball? Are acting on the ball? A ball is moving over a horizontal smooth surface with a constant velocity. What type of forces are acting on the ball? What type of forces are acting on the ball? So now question is, a ball is there. It is moving over a horizontal smooth surface. with a constant velocity. What type of force are acting on the ball? What is your answer? Ritesh?
External forces, ma'am.
Once explain the question to me. Shritesh, please
Ma'am, a
explain.
ball is a hello.
Please. Yes, Ritesh.
Hello. Am
Yes,
I audible, ma'am?
yes, you are audible. Shritesh, you are audible.
Your voice is breaking.
No, your voice is audible. Somebody can explain me this question?
Ma'am, a ball is moving, ma'am, in a horizontal surface, smooth surface, ma'am. Ma'am, with a constant, with the same velocity, ma'am.
So here already a ball is moving already.
Yeah, ma'am.
So in the question he is telling a ball is moving already. Okay, on a smooth surface with a constant velocity. He was not telling that to move a ball now. He was telling that a ball is already moving and it is moving on a smooth surface with a constant velocity. So which type of forces are acting on the ball? So what could be the answer?
Ma'am, gravitational force.
I was not telling, it is traveling horizontally. It was traveling.
Ma'am, applied force.
Answer is actually, he has given this question to confuse you actually. Generally, you may think that majority of the children will write an answer unbalanced force for this question because the ball is moving. So they may think that as the ball is moving, this is the kind of unbalanced force. So in order to confuse, that is the reason this question was given actually. But in the question, the logic involved here is, he was telling that indirectly, now you are not moving a ball. A ball is already in moving direction. It is already moving. Moreover, there is some constant velocity. So when a ball is already moving with a constant velocity, there is a, the type of force which acts on the ball is balanced force. Because balanced force will not make any object to move, but it is already moving. Okay, so as the object is already moving there, so the force which acts there is balanced force. Unbalanced force is required. When is unbalanced force required? Unbalanced force is required when you want to increase the velocity. If you want to increase the velocity of an object, if you want to increase the speed of an object, unbalanced force is required. But he's not talking about increase of velocity. He is talking about constant velocity. The velocity is constant there. So when a velocity is constant, when the surface is smooth, no extra forces are required. No extra force is required. So that kind of forces, we call them as balanced forces. Did you understand this logic in this?
Yeah, ma'am.
Abhinay, you got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Boys, did you got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody should respond in the class. If you sleep, your marks will also sleep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is an interactive class. Okay, so
Okay,
answer is balanced force. You can note down answer is balanced force. One question is there which is repeated continuously. Note down. Define momentum and give its SI unit. Define momentum and give its SI unit. Okay, what is momentum? This question is repeated in the year 2010, 2011, 2012, 2014, 2015. Continuously for 5 years, this question is repeated. Define momentum and give its SI unit.
Ma'am, product of mass and velocity is momentum.
Very good. Momentum is equal to product of mass into velocity. You can write momentum is equal to momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Yes, the unit of momentum is
kg meter per second, ma'am.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
kg meter per second. 1 minute. Kg meters per second. Note it down. Yes, the unit of momentum is kg meters per second. The same question is asked in another form. Okay, in the year 2013, the same question was asked in another form. Okay, the question is, name the factors name the factors on which momentum of a body depends. Name the factors on which momentum of a body depends. Name the factors on which momentum of a body depends. Okay. So what are the factors?
Mass and velocity, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Mass and
Mass
velocity.
and velocity. So the answer is mass and velocity. Mass of the body, velocity of the body. I mean, one question in different ways he'll ask. Next, note down one question. It is given in the year CBSE 2013 and 2014. A body of mass 30 kg, a body of mass 30 kg has a momentum of 150 kg meters per second, has a momentum of 150 kg meters per second, has a momentum of 150 kg meters per second. Find its velocity. Find its velocity. CBSE 2013 and 14. How can we solve this problem, children?
Ma'am, 150 by 30 is equals to velocity, ma'am. Momentum divided by mass is equals to velocity, ma'am.
Okay, what is the final answer? See, actually, this answer can be momentum formula we have. Momentum is denoted by letter P.
Is equals to mv, ma'am.
mv formula, mass into velocity. Now he is asking us to find the velocity. So if I take
V is equals to P by M.
P by M. So 150 by
30.
How much? 5.
5, ma'am.
5 meters per second. Note it down.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, complete.
Next question is also a logical question. Please apply your mind. Okay, an athlete. ATHLET. An athlete means a player or athlete always runs always runs some distance always runs some distance before always run some distance before taking a jump why an athlete always runs some distance before taking a jump why children your voice is not clear Shritesh now please press your audio to okay your voice is not clear somebody can tell me this answer
Ma'am, can I?
yes
Ma'am, an athlete always runs because to gain more momentum.
very good so an athlete always runs some distance before taking a jump because he may jump he want to jump higher so for that he requires some momentum if the athlete want to jump higher so when athlete want to jump maximum higher so he wants some momentum momentum is nothing but mass into velocity so in order to gain that velocity okay so the answer is to gain the momentum answer is to gain the momentum 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 to gain the momentum to gain the momentum so that he may jump so that he may jump higher so that he may jump higher to gain the momentum so that he may jump higher so that he may jump higher next question it is given CBSE 2012 an object is thrown vertically upwards an object is thrown vertically upwards an object is thrown vertically upwards what is its momentum at the highest point what is its momentum at the highest point what is its momentum at the highest point this question is given in the year CBSE 2012 so he is telling an object is there it is thrown vertically upwards at its highest point what is its momentum he is asking so what is the momentum children now what is the logic involved in this question read the question properly try to understand the question properly What is the momentum at the highest point?
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am, 0, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How did you?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the explanation for this?
Ma'am, because a object is thrown upwards, ma'am. So velocity will be 0. So momentum is equals to mass into velocity. So m into 0. 0, ma'am.
Very good. So here the logic is involved at one point. He is telling that what is its momentum at the highest point. So when an object is traveling vertically upwards, at the highest point, at the final point of its height, the velocity becomes 0 for a second. Again, when it starts traveling downward direction, again velocity will be increasing. But at its highest point, velocity is 0. So when the velocity is 0, momentum is mass into velocity, mass into 0 is 0. So hence it is 0. You write the answer. Momentum is equal to, answer can be written like this. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity, mass into velocity, mass into velocity. Since velocity of the object at the highest point, since velocity of the object at the highest point is 0, velocity of the object at the highest point is 0, So momentum of the object is 0 at the highest point. 0 at the highest point. Momentum of the object is 0 at the highest point. Next question, children. Next question. State. This question is repeated in 2010 CBSE exams, 2012, 2013, 2015. All 4 years this question was repeated. State law of conservation of momentum. State law of conservation of momentum. Write down the total momentum.
Ma'am, that is answer.
Yeah, answered. Anybody can tell me this conservation of momentum, law of conservation of momentum? If anybody want to try, you can try. Yes, children, law of conservation of momentum, anybody can define me? This law of conservation of momentum, I have explained you when I was telling the lesson part. Okay, force and laws of motion when I was discussing. I have already discussed this point. Law
Can I say?
momentum. Siri?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Siri.
Ma'am, the total moment of an object remains constant before or after collision, after interaction between the objects, ma'am.
Very,
And there is no external unbalanced force.
very good. Excellent. Okay, other children, please note it down. The total momentum of a system, the total momentum of a system of a system of a system remains constant remains constant remains constant if no external force acts on the system. The total momentum the total momentum of a system remains constant if no external force acts on the system. If no external force acts on the system. The total momentum of a system remains constant if no external force acts on the system.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Next, a small problem is there. Okay. Which would require a greater force? Which would require a greater force? Which would require a greater force? First one is accelerating a 1 kg, accelerating a 1 kg mass, accelerating a 1 kg mass, 1 kg mass at 10 meters per second, at 10 meters per second, 1 kg mass at 10 meters per second, or a 2 kg mass, or a 2 kg mass, or a 2 kg mass at 4 meters per second, at 4 meters per second. So how can you solve this?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Accelerating a 1 kg mass at 10 meters per second, or
Okay, ma'am.
or a 2 kg mass, or
Yes, ma'am.
a 2 kg mass at 4 meters per second. 2 kg
Okay.
mass at 4 meters per second. Abhinav Sai,
Yeah, ma'am.
you want to tell?
Yeah, I want to tell the answer.
Please tell.
It's the one with 1 kg mass at 10 meters per second square.
Requires greater mass,
Huh?
greater force.
Yeah, that would require more force.
Okay, how did you solve it? I mean, what is the process you have solved this?
No, because 1 kg times 10 meters per second square is equal to 10. That is like it's 10, like 10 square kilo, 10 kg, 10 meter kg per second, while the other one is equal to 8 kg meter per second.
Okay. Right. Okay, your answer is okay, good. But others also I want to hear. Hiranya, please tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 kg mass at 10 meter per second is greater, ma'am. Because by second law of motion, force is equals to mass into acceleration, ma'am.
Okay.
First force is 1 into 10 is 10 Newton, ma'am. Second force is 2 into 4, 8 Newton. So first one is greater, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, very good, Nana. Right. So 1 minute, children. So you can do it. Very simple.
Yeah, ma'am.
Formula we have is F is equal to MA. Okay. So first case F1 is equal to M value he has given us mass 1 into acceleration. Okay, 10. So it is the force required is 10 newtons. Second case is F2. F2 he has given 2. Okay, mass 2 kgs into he has given 4 meters per second acceleration. So it is 8 newtons. So F1 requires more 10 newtons is greater than 8 newtons. So F1 requires more force. Okay, now it is time of children. I'm ending here. So please send all these notes for correction. Right. Thank you.